Hello and siyanimukela to another exciting episode of the Times Talk podcast where you talk and we listen. My name is Nobuso Dlamini and today we are bright and beautiful and we are happy people. It's December and we have a very funny person today. Sinaso Akile Dlamini. Lokhuluma ngambana bani yadumsile kulamalanga. Lokhuluma ngemali yenhlangano kulamalanga ukuthi kokudla imali yenhlangano kwendakalana umuntu lomdzala. But yes, so today we have him, Dr. Bakhuluma ngokuthi waqala njani into the TikTok and Facebook skit world. Yes, kunjani Nkosi?
Ngiyaphila mama kanjani?
Ngiyaphila nami. Ufike namuhla wabona timvo letinhle but singakangeni kito. Ngicela nje utshele labasibukele namuhla ukuthi siwakhile ngibani oqhamuka kuphi and ukhule kanjani briefly nje.
Okay. Ibito lami ngicebo ekhaya ngibita ngamcebo sewakhile ngelekusebenta but nalo certificate. I'm a former student at St. Mary's High School. I'm based in Hlalakazombotse mina. Ngikhule kaZombotse. Ngikhuliswa ngugogo ke namake. Sewakhile ke labaningi bambita ngeluhlanya but mina angisilo luhlanya ngisuke ngidlulisa lo mlayedo nje ke because kuningi bamfuna abafuna ukukhiphela ngaphandle but bayehluleka so ngiloyo umuntu loyo ke kucala kwami ke kwenda icomedy ngayiqala esikolweni bengenda stand up comedy Phinze ngenda sketch esikolweni so bengimimikha nabo thishela bangakutshela nje bangihamba uyonda research ngami bengetselela ngiyayi kancane ngetselela
so manje usatseleli nyalo
unyala ngetseleli nyalo ngetseleli nyalo ngiyahaya nje ngence yabo yes so ngacala lapho ke ngimuntu lone mathalenta lamaningi ngiyahlabela ngiyajayiva sengiloko ke kwecomedy yes so ngacala esikolweni sakudlala nakhona bengingathi ke nami ukuthi ngidawuhamba ngifikela la khona namuhla yes but ke sewakhile wacala nge-lockdown whereby bekunesimo sekuthi bekude tshwala ngawusho kanjani bekude mambawu leso sikhathi leso so my uncle ke uyaqhamuka ke so bamfu bebafile futhi ke kulawo malanga lawo bengathi nesudi ukuthi liyaphisa bowathi nje wenza isudi liyaphisa
mina ngabona ngathi ngigibele ikhumbi ngabona lo mama ke aphethe lisaka la anyanisi and angisamvala khumbini bathi hawu malini namuhla ngathi anyanisi
yebo
bebanasa anyanisi
yes ufake ama specs ubuka le la uyakhona ngoba udabuya songilenye into lapho yes so kwacala ke lapho ke nga release some other video whereby bengibongelela lo tshwala leso sikhathi leso cause bekusafarishwa vele banathi abani banest and other stuff so ngacala lapho ke ngakhipha le video le but ke nakhona kwakuyimvo nje leyavaleleka ngoba i-lockdown kuningi liyazivalela kiko yes
so after that video that's where you blew up
yes
strictly focus ku content creation botidlalela nje so noma it was something they were intentional noma weva ngazuthi asengidlale because vele it's lockdown siborekile angizama ukuhlekisa what was the intention behind it
okay ngona ngangidlala and it went viral like ngasa sendela la umuntu bekase America wathi hi wena kani unjena wena wathi ngibona ivideo yakho so ngiyabona khona okay let me try this yabo ngacala ke ngisebenza ke sewakhile and bengisebenza ke nabamfana nabakithi gokwami senda nawe ama videos and all that stuff so kwacala kanjalo nje bona ngahamba ngemoya wokudlala ukuthi ngiyadlala but ngabona ukuthi bamfu kuyabachaza like ngasi asaloko ngichubeka ngalapho
yes ngiyambona futhi gogo kuma videos lamaningi so someone loba vele akumotivate ukuthi ichubeka mfana wami uchubeke ngalokho
naye phela unaso lesipillion gokwami unaso ke lesipillion unaso
so yes so after COVID sekwendakala because there's a period where you stopped just get us into that kuthi kwendakalane during that period la wema khona waphosa waphinze wabuya
okay kahle uma ngishutha lama video ngiwashutha abe maningi yabo then bese yes nanyalo so sengendela ukuthi should anything yendeke kimi maybe ngiyabekisa sengiphathekile or something but ema-fans amachubeke abe entertained uyabona ukuthi bangakhona ukungitrace ukuthi yabona ke Nyalo uyagula nanyalo but into phela lokhu nje ngibona lo msebenzi so what happened umsebenzi wami bekahlala efonini but sengafunzela la lingemusa Nyalo ukuthi akufanele hlale efonini kuphela so Nyalo na sengiyafana ku laptop so imele yendeka they stole my phone
okay
ngane bekunalo msebenzi la khathi and ngehluleka ke ku regainer i-account yami yaka TikTok bese nginama followers amaningi vele so ngaba bathe ngiyazama kwangehlula loku regainer le account yami ngonkosa ukuthi kufuna phindze ngakhe i-account lensha yabona
from scratch
so like kwase sekungeniselela amandi lamabholweni plus nalokuthi ke ngaba nema higher expectations yabona mangibona lamanye ama comedians ala kangwane like mangicela collaboration kiwo labona babe like ucele okay ngicela amane nje Nkosi yami mangamane uvete ebuso because kusebenza kanjalo vele le presence yalo muntu nje noma ngetasho lufu lokuthi yathi bekunazibani la yabona so ngacela ke kulabanye akuzange kwahamba kahle so ngabona ngazuthi sothelele ngikwela yabo bamba bakujabuleli ngachubeka ke ngihlabela ke nekujayiva yabo ngasala ngakhohlwa ngalokho like bese ngingadadi nje kwasamina ukuthi ngingibani yabo up until ke kwafika ke isikhathi whereby behamba nebangani bami okay there is this guy called Mageza we country I think a lot of people bayamade on TikTok beka solo asho nje athi yathi kuthini wena like la ukhona like bamvu hlezi ba happy yabo like akwendeki nje umfahlale nawe angahleki yabo why ungabuyela egaming beka nalo mbuto lo why ungabuyela ngathi hey Mageza ngitawubuyela mina like bekusengathi nje imvu le ngicabanga yabo mina nje vele ngitikhulumele ngiyadengcela nje ngatikhulumela ngiyadengcela yabo so waba naloko ke so uyangithola ke ngalelinye langa ke ungithola ngikwatile bangishiyile sengiyabalisa kanye uyangishutha yangeba mangivuka ngakusasa ngikhanza ngilatula wabuye wangishutha several times wangishutha so buya kimi uthi you know what sengikublakile ke so buyele gaming hamba uvule account yakho that's how ngabuya ke gaming.
How many followers do you currently have Kopanaga TikTok?
I think over 200 and something thousand.
So
then I'm at like 600 and something thousand.
So you started from 0 Loksona 200 thousand.
Yes.
That's nice. That's nice. So yes, bengafuni ukhona lo hintile indzaba phenze wa yendlula fast.
Okay.
Yes, the entertainment industry is all about collaboration. Siyabona nje even in South Africa nalana sengilokhulumela ama musicians kuloku.
Okay.
Growing a collaboration.
Yes.
Doing a collaboration because the minute mina collaborator nawe sengena ku fan base yakho nawe songena ku fan base yami yabo sekagcwala. Do you feel like la Swatini kunayo into saying the spirits of collaborators sikhona niyasitana as emerging artists niyambuka yini lona ukuthi yathi lona usazama ngicela kumane kumsita lapha nalapha because now do benefit akuye.
Yeah, yona i-industry yethu la kangwane hayi ingilenge but ke lo kufuna ukuthi uma ukwenda lemvo ukhulele lenhlitiyo uyabona nje kufana nekunikela umunikela uyathi uthi yathi kutawubuya sekukuningi yak understand so masingamane sonke simbathe nje lelo jazz lelo ngaba lula bakhona lamanye ama comedians like nje for instance Pepe nje sengile nga collaborator naye yabona akusibamvu labalikhulu kangako like yeah bakhona futhi nalabanye like uma ucabanga ukuthi wende collaboration nawo bancane but ke ngingabajudge ngoba iseseyenze le ndlela mhlawumbe sitawuhamba sebenzisane but vele angathi ukuthi labanye bacabange kanjani ukuthi kuma soto uthatha sihlwele sami yini or something kana kukho kanjalo yabo South Africa nje bayaphilelana siyababona yabona nathi ke la kangwane bangamane sikutholela umoya loyo but nje bakhona asifani yeah
wena nje umuvu maketa ku uyavuma collaborate wajefu nje mina bengicala namuhla ngisangatiwa ngifike ngithi ngicela kuvela ku video yakho is it something you're willing to do awuke ube nelivalo lokuthi yathi ngifuna utawuthatha bamfu bami
no not at all
akwendeke
futhi ngiyayingijabule because nginayo le pain man ngiyakwati ngiyayadile ngokuzama imvo ungaphumelele so angeke bese sengivalele umnye umfu ngaphandle because I believe ekuthenini lisomvo liyagicika mhlambe namuhla bamfu bamthakasela sewakhile kuchamuke kude nalomunye kube nalomunye sewakhile mhlambe lo bachaza kangcono ke kunami manje bathi ukutaba lula sengisebenzisana naye lo just because angamvaleli ngaphandle because it counts naloko ukuthi yathi sibani wake wangenda kanje but nyalo soyabuya why ngidaba nalombuto lo why namhla sekunani uyabo akusho ukuthi inenhlito lembe but bese soyakubuka nawe nje imagine umfo nje umcelela isito angakusithi then ngekusasa sophinze soyabuya yena yeba sobambe magraji but lo why ukhona
why yeah and then also another one so imali because a lot of artists enkhulumile now mina I'm in the entertainment department senkhulumile now imali kuyenda directly from views from either TikTok either Facebook but kulukhuni it's either kulukhuni noma kusangendeki so wena nyalo lo msebenzi wendako ukusita in what aspect uthola kanjani
okay yeah kuliqiniso ke lo lokhuluma ke niya bayaviewa wona yabona thola ukuthi ivideo yami nje on TikTok kunayo ivideo mangidla kudla ngisemgcabeni yamshaya million ngeke yamshaya nje million but imali asiyitholi yes I enjoy
it register in before uqhubeke khona yini labantshela khona ukuthi okay ma register lana lo 1 million nje kude lo wakwathi yathi boto cash akuna 1 million na
South Africa okay someone ungangitshela wathi ngathi ngifuna ngiregister South Africa wathi bakile nje bangichazela ngako lokho but ke though bashido bathi asisita but la kangwane vele no yabo yes so imali si mine ngikhulumela mina imali ngikhona kuyakha ngeku MCA la imishado ku advertiser ke yes ngithola kanjalo imali otherwise lo msebenzi leli ubonako nje la on Facebook and all the stuff cha ukuthi imali osinike down yes mina nje ngakubekisela mhlambe une business yakho ukuthengisa pelepele so thathi sewakhile you have ama followers lamaningi wena like ngingakhona yini ukumakethela lokho yebo ngiyakumakethela bese sesiyavumelana kungaba ukuthi sivumelana ukuthi ngidaba neshare lapha kulo pelepele ukuthi mawendile ngiyathola pelepele wami I understand noma udangibhadala siyavumelana but nje angibi ngumvulo olukhuni yabo because ngiya understand lokuncane lesikuthola kunconyana kunalo kungatholi lutho
yes and all so yes so kude imali ngalana nithola ngala and then kulama gigs at MC because labanye bayakhala you were paid fairly
hey ya kona yabona la kuloko
ngoba niyagidza man
uyabuma busuku uthola lupho ngendeke yeah but nje I think ngaba kuhlakanipha this time around ukuthi umuntu nje before okay mina ngingasho ukuthi bangani bami bayangihlakaniphisa because ngisesemusha la kule industry
awukahlakaniphi wena
mina angulusa ngomsekenya mina angulusa ngomsekenya ngenteka ukuthi uhlakaniphele lokunye uyakubona kukushaye nawe yabo yes but bangani bami nje bayangisita makwami gogo yabo like ngiyathanda nawe nje ungangi-advise ngemvo thithi yabo ngiyalalela ngiko nje in most cases kuma skits vele nje angisinje umuntu lo sebenzisa inhlamba noma senginelimi lolu kanjena ngendlela ukuthi ngibe lula yabona ukukhulumiseka kanti mase sibathi bamba kangene kunana utakutshela takho yabo so yeah bangani bami bayangisita kona bayangibonisa ngalenye indlela it's okay so this is how you did it like nje I had a crisis whereby bangicela ukuthi ngicela uyos MC la bengaduthi ngicharge imali like I was like okay lama seng 200 ke nomntu angiphi drink ngasho kanjalo like yo wena umngane was like yo wena sewakhile u right la ukahle hayi wena kwentiwa kanjalo wangihlalisa phansi ke coach so now I know ukuthi sekwentiwa kanje kufana nje nokuyo MCL gig thina besijabula cause sibona sesiyademarketa and all the stuff Asafana ubhadala angisowendile lo msebenzi ngeke kuphela bese sokushaya lo back kodwa sovele wendile umsebenzi noma ngeke bakuniketa ke le mali kubhlungu nje kufanele lokubhadala inkukhu soyayidla you understand kubhlungu ubhadala inkukhu soyayidla ngayidla nini na engcenye bangicela nale nkukhu I understand yebo so ke nyalo sengihlakaniphile nyalo kuba like umngane amangitshela ukuthi okay lokungenani ke sawakhile before ke lapha kule stage at least ngabafaka i deposit you understand earlier on besitelo moya lo mina nje ngichaza ukuthi ngidawuvele entweni ngidawuvele
Ugidze futhi
awukabuhlungu kabi ngeke ngikuthanda umgcwabo angisho ukuthi fane yabo but nje emgcwabeni siyaphila umgcwabe nje uphatha swine pelepele udawudla
ube right
lokudla kwesive ngachaza nakucala
Bekusafuna kubuda nje lokubo sakhuluma so iplan yakho uba neplan yeminyaka yenyanga ukuthi okay season lena nyalo nje ngeDecember uyaplana ukuthi okay maskets ami atohamba ngale line leli la December ukuthi nyalo kwendakalani or just something that happens randomly ukuthi kwendekile nje like you said ukuthi bebakushuta ungaboni kulokunye and then so khanza sebakupostile so do you plan for it noma nje uba imvula vele yendeke
Okay for mina ngiyathipumela angifuni ngasho ngiyathipumela najalo nje kuningi ngakhuluma ngako lokula
ngicela ukubuza
Okay njalo nje ngikubutumbuto lolibele why uboleka imali yenhlangano because nyalo sengiDecember yaso yanhlanhlatheka ikhumbiso igibelele dance kanti boyigibelela la nyalo liyala leto uyabona ukuthi awufika unethi ngenxa ukuthi uyabaleka uyabona so yeah mina angiplan but ngikhuluma ngesimo lesila nyalo because in most cases kuyatholakala nje kune trend yesinkwa everyone bekala like I trend yesinkwa bebenda yona so mase sonke shumayela livangeli linye yabo nginayo lokuthi yabona asengichamuke ngalenye indlela that's why njengoba ngishito ngithi ngake ngayizama acala icomedy then ngashifta ngala so lama characters benhle ngiwashintsha namhla ngikahle ngibhudi kusasa sengifaka isithiya understand so this time around ngikhethe ukuthi ngicela kuhamba ngalendlela le ngibe nje ngibe natural ngikhulumisa simo lesilambi kwami and kune video lengikhiphile nje ngibona abafana besikole bayajola ngeba like out of the blue ngithi I think ngidzinwa nginanga umntana adumsile uyasathi isimo sakibo like bakhona vele batale like la labangasakhona lokhuta labamfana yabo but mina sengikhulumela wonke umuntu yabona ngaleso simo leso akusho ukuthi asiboni njalo nje kule bamfana banema phone lo mnye uthengela umfana akhe ibhayisikili akwathi nakushova lo mfana le ibhayisikili uyeka nje kuthengela imoto kwakwathi nokuyishayela uva le mali enhlangano but jana kwataba leminyango makhelwane ngosama seng200 rand ngiyothenga lishet le mntana yabo ngikhuluma ngemvo lethi kanjalo sikhona lokubalances but nje ngisokukhuluma ngemvo lekhona
nyalo
yes mangithi nje mina ke phela thathani bantu abeni tikolo setivaliwe bathatheni nasi basiphumule njalo nje ngiyathi ukuthi kwasawona ufuna kuba umngane nami ngoba sengifole imali enhlangano angibafuni bangani banyalo angibafuni sitababona January sonke sesishayekile
mawungena eminyango uthi tekimi nyalo masikhuluma ngaDecember masingena ngala masikhuluma ngaDecember uthi kimi mngani ubitwa uthi kimi mngani Jesu akeme sitatitela
simaka ngasilanze vele sitatitela kulo December and futhi ngeva buhlungu ukuthi mangabe kukhona umfulo osageza nyalo ngiyamlilela lo ukhanza abamfu bahamba nyalo sisempompini nyalo sikanje kwaduma umuntu ukhaletu bayawushiya abantu bayawushiya akuyahanjwa nyalo kuyasheshwa
so you don't plan but uvamse kungalandzeli what's going on in terms of ukuthi nguva ukuthi uyabona ukuthi everyone is doing the same thing awufuni ukuthi kuze kungabonakali
bese sekuyabhora yeah kona but kukhona le nangabe ngiyithole ekucala ningayithola leyo nanjani but mase sibaningi kakhulu sala sonke phela sikhuluma ngalokunye yabona sala at least ke ngihluke yabo hayi ukuthi yabona nje nyalo mangithi awuchamuka la aphethe lesinkwa obvious utawukhuluma lokuthi yabo angivele ngehluke
ngiphumele but isinkwa vele nami siyangikhathaza
ukuthi sithatha ibhakela nyalo sekhwele sinkwa sithatha ibhake sithatha ibhakela ngamane sidulelwe ngiflower ngeke ngamane sidulelwe ngiflower
It's a very, very bad situation. Yes. But also congratulations for your award. You just won Social Media of the Year award.
Yes.
It's a big one.
Yeah.
It's a very big one. But we nominated with 2 categories.
Yes.
And you took this one home. Just to ask, getting on that stage, grabbing it, what came to your head? Like to thank my wife, like to thank God. When I was thank abani
yabo phambili phela babacabanga ukuthi angikholwa ngiyakholwa mina ukuthi nje ngisuke ngisupport local business I think they understand manje ngisupport local business ngoba phela uyabona batawushiba ngana labanye mangasathengi mina uyabona ngiyasupport hayi ukuthi nganjalo ngiyasupport
but God phambili
okay go mabang nominator awazi nawe bangikhombisa wathi sewakhile unominate ku entertainer of the year na social media personality of the year. So what happened bengisolo mabangikhombisa because bekunescoreboard lapha you were able ukubona ukuthi nginginamba bani. So bengisolo ngilida ke kuko koyi2. So like nje ukutibongela kakhulu eMaswatini nemafans ami labangivotele ke kulelo hlangothi lelo because kusibusiso lesikhulu mina bengadicabanga nje ngiyayinkunzima ngenta ngithi ngabe nginyathele bani ngabe ngijabulise bani but nje so far ama comments le ngathola ko bathokotile ngemisebenzi wami lokusho ukuthi nje ngitawuchubeka nani ngin-supply nijabule futhi lo munye wasenda i-comment lethi yade sewakhile bengine stress lesingayimva but nginele nje kubona nakho sengihleka ngibheke etulo ngathi ungafi makwebamfa ama cramps wena ungangifaki uyabo I was like that and ngiyazama futhi nekwaphemvula onke ema comments lokungenani manje ngilike ukuzo utobona na ukuthi hayi uyifunzile ngiyawafunza nje so like kule award ke awazana nawe ukuthi into yini yebo kona bengibona cause itivoti yashintsha lo munye nje wa conference wakhe are you aware ukuthi lo bakubona ukunumber 1 batho setha lo pace ngawo utathu uzobukufika leli langa ubona wena umfasa number 1 ngasi so ngakubona vele lokho kwenteke yabo lokuthi sekishiftile party basala bathi ke sebanginiketa ke vele ceba bathi sasivotela ngalana sewakhile at least nje ube ne something
man like le gap yavele yaba inkulu egcineni kulele lenye award
ayizange yaba inkulu I was just number 2 ngaba nje number 2 lokubhlunge awukhona ikona ukuthi ungishiya kangakho emavoto ubona sewushiftile ukuthi kukabi mina nje for mina angifuni ucala emanga I felt like masikhuluma nje entertainer of the year like othima ke ungadinga abathi mfana wami bambawuthanda umsebenzi wakho ngithi mina niyawabona yini ama judges kulamalanga niyawabona yini ama judges so benginako lokuthi Christian yabo Christian but unfortunately ke wayithatha umfowethu into but nje ngiyabonga kakhulu yes so kuyo grabha ke award yami ungamangala utuka lokumcinde kangaka ukuthi ngangikuphi ngangibhace ngebantu ngende nje bababita banana nje ukuthi sewa like lengcombo yahamba like bengingathi ukuthi ngingathini what I did ngafika nje stage abanginike award I felt like ngavele ngihlabela because ngomfana lokhulele sompeni ngavele ngahlabela ingoma yakho angikonakala ngilamze efakazi uma ngithi ngiphume ezintweni ezinzima kube ngikhulumela imvo lekhona
ufuna lokhona kufakaza kahle maso uphumile
nami nje sengike ngihlale nje emic-ini esontweni ukuthi ebazalwane ngikhumbula ngalenye ilanga ngisho indzaba yami ngikhumbula ngalenye ilanga ngisho indzaba hayi ukuthi mina simakathi wangithola ngimncane uvela uboneke ukuthi lo uyahamba ke la sontweni usethe nebufakazi lona ke so uhambe seside ke lo mzalwane seside
so it's a really big one yes. I think kufana nekuthini it's reaping what you sow umsebenzi wakho ubonakele and bakhulu abakulandzela bakubongelela in that
act ajuluka imagine mina ngakhala vele tavele tatphumela ngathi wasomnye imvutsa akayikhala ngathi angisindvutsa ngisengumfana
into khona khala kahle
into khala kahle ngakhala vele ngakhala like ngamangala
yeah so what are your plans nje looking at how things are going what are your plans going forward ngemsebenzi wakho in the comedy space
I'm looking forward to kusebenza netingapane letiningi and nje futhi uNkulunkulu angiside ngicoshise wena emsebenzini kutosebenza mina ngiyadlala
ngibonile sokhomba office la MD
ngibona titulo lapha leti MT phela ngiyasho ukuthi lana nasi isikhala sami uyabona nje kufana nokuthi uyofuna umsebenzi ngiyabekisa studio seat bakutshela ukuthi kude umsebenzi but uyayibona lethila inamuntu le kube ungazuthi ungavela uthi awukhweshele sisingisebenzi uyabona umsebenzi kulamalanga lawa ulukhuni kakhulu so mina nje ligoal lami kusebenza netingapane letinkulu yes boSwazi Mobile bo MTN like yeah like it's like
ngithi phela ngikusho kanye
kunenzaba kuyasho uyabona bona ukuthi ngubani labangithatha labangithola ecala but nje I'm looking forward kusebenza netingapane leti kanjalo uyabona because I think like being a brand ambassador of such company like at least you getting something and ukuthi sivaleleke la ngaphandle and inato letingapane siyaticanga kusama sethi sibuke sibaningi kona noma nje sebathatha munye namunye and I was like I have a friend ekenyalo Christine Mas umnganami Christine Mas Popepe yabo looking at Christian ukuthi yena recite ama-poem and all the stuff mina ngalana ngenda i-comedy but uyakhona lo muntu ukuthi yathi mnganami I have this ngajabula ukuthi mangavela wena kuvele mina siphume nemvethe lokuyimvo lokungijabulisako lokho ukuthi yabona lo moya wekuvana angifuni nje kuze sifike bekuna Nandi so washona in South Africa. I think you remember loyo mama loyo asacela ama donations and all that stuff. Angifuni kuze kufike leso sigaba leso kububhuti bami nabo sisi bami yabo bomam Elise and all that stuff. Angufiseli nje lokho angithi nje the collaboration iyasita ngokuthi nami ngitophasa amahloni asenthi nje Pepe yagula nyala but athi uphise wakhile ngoba phela bayasebenza kanye kanje so nami sekungenda nje lokubona i-collaboration isita lapho lokuthi sikhone kubambana angazi umfaza lo uthe Nkosi yami sewuhamba so khipha nehlazo lakhe kanje sibuthane nje angazi umva ngene ku-depression sibuthane. I think nje lo moya we-collaboration kufuna ukuthi ube mningi la kule industry yethu but nje vele i-answer ya umbuto lo ngibute wona uthi igoli lami ngokuthi ngisebenze netinkampani.
And then what can we look forward to thina ezibambula abakulandzelako yini lokuplanile ama videos lesimele siwagathe nyalo asengingasho nje isikhathi sesithe from now up until January February sigathe ini sibuke
ngiphekile kakhulu kuyomsita umumvu ukuthi athenge i-toilet paper yakhe awuhlathe ngoba ngiphekile angifuni ukuyenga ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngiphekeni but ngisatawusuthi
kuningi
no
siyabonga kakhulu Nkosi for joining us for this exciting episode. Also to speak to the viewers at home, thank you so much for the love. We are seeing you are liking, you are subscribing. Please also comment in the comment section below. Tag, share this video and more. My name is Nombuso Dlamini. Until next time, bye.